Welcome to our shop in Ronkonkoma. Today B-Lash is going to come down. She's going to learn all about how we manufacture closets, and you're even going to see her work on some of her own components for her space. We're super excited. We're here a little early. We're going to go do a complexity meeting and make sure everything's going to go perfect. We can't wait for her to be here, and we can't wait to show you exactly what we do. Doing all right. Welcome to California Closet.
I'm so
happy you're here.
Me too.
The guys are already in the back, and we want to show you what we do.
Let's do it.
All right. So this is our shop. These are the fellas. You're going to meet them all today. But everything that we make right here in Ronkonkoma. There's a lot of benefits to that. It actually helps us with our speed to market, right?
Right.
As opposed to it coming over the water or from another country. We make it all right here.
Awesome.
It actually is considered an environmentally friendly thing because we manufacture here. We qualify for LEED points. We're within a 60-mile radius of every project that we do.
Wow.
So,
okay.
low carbon footprint, fast speed to market. It's really fun.
That's awesome.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take you around as if you were a piece of wood.
Okay.
Right? And that's how we'll make our journey through the shop. So,
sounds good.
We met Stanley.
Yes.
Right? Stanley does all the work on the computer, and then he sends it through some processes to make sure we optimize yield out of a board.
Okay.
And then it goes through the blue wire, which you'll find on here, and it goes over to two machines.
Okay.
The first one is the saw, and the second one is the BHX. The BHX is a CNC we'll talk about, but we're going to start over on the saw.
Sounds good.
All right. This is our Holzma HPP 250 panel saw, and this is what cuts wood.
Wow. So you're like the first stop.
Yeah, I'm the first stop.
Okay.
This is the layout of all your board right there, so your board's right over there.
Lots of moving parts, lots of goggles and masks, but so cool. So now all the wood is already finished, right? So you just pick which finish you need and you put it in. Hi.
James?
Nice to meet you.
James, it's B-Lashes. This is our giant edge bander.
Okay, so it does the edges?
Yeah, so we just cut our material, and you can see that on all four sides, we have the raw edge.
Yeah.
Right? What we're going to do now is we're going to apply what's called edge banding, and edge banding is what's going to give you your finished look.
On the side.
Each edge banding has its own finish on the front to match the finished materials of the board. So what happens is a blast of air comes down as the board's going through and the tape is merging on it.
And melts it on?
Melts basically.
Okay.
And it fuses it, so we'll have no glue line, and it'll look like one
seamless.
piece, a seamless piece.
Okay. Show me what to do. Okay, send it through?
Like that. Like that.
Nice and easy. Wow.
Want to try that one by itself?
Sure. Always on this side? I'm going to tell everyone I built my own closet.
So that is our edge bander.
Okay.
Right? And so you'll see, like, as he's edging, all of the pieces end up coming onto this pile, right? The next place that things go is to where we drill all of the holes, right? Scan the barcode. Click. Good. All right, so you hear that pop?
Yeah.
That pop means it loaded in. So what you gotta do is you gotta come over here, you hit this white button, and it sets the pin out for you.
Oh, okay.
It needs like an origin point.
Okay.
So that pin lets the machine know, hey, the board is starting right here.
We're aligned up here. Okay.
So we'll put it on the red roller, slide it all the way up to that pin. When it's flush on the pin, you hit that little pedal down there.
Right here?
Yep.
All right, now you step off the black mat because the black mat is actually a safety.
Got
If
it.
anyone steps on that mat during the
It
drilling,
won't go?
it'll stop it.
Really? Okay. Look what I did.
This is Manny.
Nice to meet you. Okay guys, so technically, I would say I am currently building my own closet here at California Closets Long Island. Give a wave, and yeah, like I'm gonna take all the credit for it.
So our units are hung on a steel rail,
Okay.
glued into the studs. So everything is pre-planned out and measured and cut to fit. So this is your rail. Okay. We have your plans over here. This is Jared. He runs
Hi
shop
Jared.
too.
Nice to meet you.
So he's going to put this in the machine, show you how it's cut, and then we'll put one of your hanging rods through, and you can cut that.
Cool.
And then we have a drawer set up, and you can put a drawer.
Oh wow, awesome.
Back over this way, we're gonna make some drawers.
Okay.
All the way back by Jared.
Yeah, so that's California Closets. Thanks so much for coming.
Thank
Really
you.
good having you. I think the guys got a kick out of it.
Yeah, it was so fun, honestly.
You learned a lot. Like I hope.
I
you
know, I
liked it.
did.
And I think next week we're going to be at your apartment, right?
Yep.
So I'm going to be there too, carrying some wood in.
Awesome.
We're going to capture it all, and then I can't wait to see the finished.
I know, me too. I'm so excited.
All right.
And I learned a lot today.
So that's about all the time we have for you today. And so since we're on the wood tour,
Yeah.
we followed where the wood goes. The last place the wood goes is out this door.
Kicking me out?
Yes, I think that it's time. We all got to get back
To
to
say
work.
goodbye. There we go. Oh, I'm riding
There's
this out of here.
There's your whip.
I'll see you soon.